everybody, I'm Bill, the Hill Country Prepper. I want you to be informed so that you can be prepared. What used to be science fiction has now become science fact. Of course, you know what AI is, artificial intelligence. In general terms, the goal of artificial intelligence is to develop machines or computers that can learn from their environment. And by think, they are able to receive data input, analyze that data, formulate conclusions, and respond in some manner. Think of the computer that plays chess with a human opponent. Sounds harmless, right? Many things have been developed in recent years to advance the ability of computers to be able to learn. Cloud computing and online data gathering are a couple. Advanced microchip technology and improved computer hardware also. And of course, the ever-expanding computer algorithms that are used by big tech. And all of this was market-driven, aimed at the consumer. You've seen this. You do an internet search for used cars, for example. And then all of a sudden you're getting unsolicited ads, emails, and text on your phone about used cars in your area. Thanks, big tech. And now AI has moved beyond being a simple aid to advertisers. Artificial intelligence is also being used to monitor a person's activities and respond in a programmed way. You don't think it is a real person that is monitoring Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all the others and deciding what goes against that platform's community standards, do you? No, it's AI. And what it's doing is called smart policing. Step out of line and the smart police will correct you. Maybe you've seen what happens when you violate one of the platform's community standards. In the past, these practices have been employed in East Asia, the Middle East, North Africa, and parts of South America. But it is rapidly expanding around the globe, as we've recently seen here with the permanent termination of many social media accounts. I'm not naming names, and that list grows longer every day. Another monitoring activity that AI is involved in is facial recognition. These systems use cameras that collect either still photographs or motion video. This biometric data collected through these cameras are then matched with stored data that had been previously collected through other cameras, social media, governmental databases, etc. Do you have a photo ID, driver's license, or a passport? Yep, you're in the database. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video and you find it helpful, press on that thumbs up and give it a like. And if you're not a subscriber yet, why not? Subscribe right now. Click on that notification bell and you'll be notified each and every time I upload some new content. So do it now. And where are these cameras located? They're everywhere. Just look up. Big box store parking lots, at the ATM at your local bank, at the local convenience store. AI is at just about every intersection with a traffic signal. Okay, stop looking up and pay attention. Here's an earlier video I uploaded that goes into how some of these systems are connected. And these cameras are not the CCTV cameras of 10, 15, 20 years ago. These cameras are highly sophisticated pieces of technology. You think that Ring camera on your front door is HD? The facial recognition cameras being deployed today are much more intrusive. They can scan distinctive facial features in order to create very detailed biometric maps of any individual without their knowing and without their consent. The new facial recognition surveillance cameras are also mobile and concealable. And I'm referring to drone technology now. Drones are not just used in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Yemen to take out the radicals. They are also used to surveil everyday citizens. Malaysia has recently installed facial recognition cameras on their police force body cams. The images captured from these body cameras allow police to quickly compare the images from the body cams with images contained in a central database. Anyone feel like it's 1984 and Big Brother is watching? Remember earlier I mentioned smart policing? Another use of AI involves predictive policing. What these AI programs do is compile massive amounts of data from an array of sources and are predictive when, where, and by whom a crime will be committed. Apparently, this has been gaining momentum here in the U.S. since 2009. The print poll system analytics are currently employed by many police departments around the country, and the number is growing. This is just a glimpse of how artificial intelligence is being used to monitor, gather data, analyze, and respond to your activities. So if you have the feeling that you're being watched, you are. In an upcoming video, I'll discuss how you can protect yourself from AI surveillance. And I'll just tell you right now, that face covering you're wearing everywhere you go out is not protecting your identity from AI. For more information on preparedness, please watch this video next. You guys be safe, stay strong, and God bless. Hill Country Prep.